Refineries are being pushed to run harder, longer, and more flexibly with aging assets and tighter margins. To keep up, operations constantly adjust conditions. But every change affects the steel, and most consequences stay invisible. Zoom into coke drums, where each blind spot gets expensive fast. For example, suboptimal cycles often go undetected until it's too late, leading to unplanned downtime, lost capital, and shorter runtime. That's why we built Akselos SPM for cokers. Powered by physics-based AI, it uses historical and live operating data to identify fatigue hotspots, track damage, and guide proactive decisions. This is how we do it. On the fatigue dashboard, you can see how each cycle behaves. Some cycles cause minimal damage, others drive rapid fatigue accumulation. Because SPM assesses every historical cycle, it does more than estimate remaining life. It shows how future fatigue life changes depending on whether operators repeat their best cycles, their worst cycles, or their recent trend. Through SPM, Pan American Energy discovered that less than 10% of coker cycles caused more than 50% of damage to their drums, enabling teams to prevent overstress events and reduce downtime. SPM also shows where damage is most likely, so inspections focus on the right locations. By analyzing the bulging heat map, inspectors can focus on the areas most likely to develop cracks. And when cracks develop, teams can track them in detail and have the right information to decide whether to fix or monitor. The result, instead of a static remaining life estimate, teams see how different cycle scenarios change future fatigue life, unlocking ideal asset performance, longer asset life, and optimized CAPEX. If you want to improve safety, profitability, and resilience in your operations, contact us for a value workshop. Akselos, we make infrastructure intelligent.